Genspark AI Deep Dive Review. Welcome back to AdLink Authority, your product review guide. I'm your host, Jasper, and if you're new here, let me tell you what makes this channel different. We don't just read marketing copy and call it a review. We dive deep into the products that matter, testing real-world performance, analyzing cost-benefit ratios, and giving you the honest truth about what's worth your hard-earned money. Here's what you'll consistently find on AdLink Authority: comprehensive product reviews and head-to-head comparisons that cut through the hype. Honest affiliate recommendations. Yes, we use affiliate links. We recommend products from reliable sources, and those we use ourselves. We hunt down the best deals and offers so you don't have to waste time scouring the internet. And most importantly, we share smart purchase tips that help you maximize value from every buying decision. Today, we're tackling something that's causing massive disruption in the AI space. And I mean massive. If you think you know what AI can do because you've used ChatGPT or Claude, prepare to have your mind blown. We're reviewing Genspark AI, and folks, this isn't just another chatbot with a fancy interface. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another AI tool review? Really? But stick with me here, because what I'm about to show you represents a fundamental shift in how AI works. We're not talking about getting better text responses. We're talking about AI that actually executes complete professional projects from start to finish. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you need a professional presentation for a board meeting. Normally, you'd spend hours researching, outlining, designing slides, finding images, crafting compelling copy. With traditional AI, you might get some help with the writing, but you're still doing most of the heavy lifting. Genspark AI's super agent system, you give it your goal, and it autonomously plans the entire project, researches your topic, creates the presentation design, sources appropriate visuals, writes compelling content, and delivers a finished, professional presentation, not bullet points you need to format, a complete, ready-to-present slideshow. Here's what makes this possible, and this is where it gets really interesting from a value perspective. Genspark combines over 20 premium AI models into one unified workspace. We're talking GPT 4.1, the new O3 model, Claude for Sonnet, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Veo 3 for video generation, Flux 1.1 for images, models that would normally require separate subscriptions costing hundreds of dollars monthly. But here's the kicker. They use something called mixture of agents technology. Instead of relying on one AI model that might hallucinate or make errors, your request runs through multiple models simultaneously. They cross-reference results and deliver outputs with a claimed 95% reduction in AI hallucinations. From a reliability standpoint, that's game-changing. Let's talk numbers, because that's what matters for your bottom line. Traditional consulting services for professional presentations, website development, or comprehensive market research typically run $10,000 or more. Genspark claims you can achieve comparable results for $50 to $200 in credits. That's not just cost savings. That's democratizing professional services. The platform offers true multi-agent specialization. Think of it as having a specialized team where one agent handles research, another focuses on design, one manages coding tasks, another handles writing, each optimized for specific functions. But they all coordinate seamlessly to deliver your final project. Now let's be honest about the challenges, because that's what real reviews do. There's definitely a learning curve here. With 20+ AI models and multiple agent types, choosing the optimal tools for your specific needs can feel overwhelming initially. The credit system, while ultimately cost-effective, requires some understanding to optimize your spending. The AI calling feature, yes, it can actually make phone calls on your behalf, is innovative but currently limited to US and Japan markets. And if you're planning heavy use of premium models like Veo 3 for video generation, those credits can add up quickly for power users. But here's what's impressive. User feedback is consistently reporting 10x to 50x productivity improvements. Projects that normally take weeks are being completed in hours. One marketing agency reported creating comprehensive campaign materials in 3 hours that previously took their team 2 weeks. The platform secured $100 million in series, a funding from top Silicon Valley investors, which suggests serious backing for continued development and integration of cutting-edge AI capabilities. Here's the broader implication that most people are missing. We're witnessing the evolution from AI as a reactive assistant to AI as a proactive executor. While most professionals are still learning prompt engineering, early adopters of platforms like this could establish significant competitive advantages. Think about it. While your competitors are still manually creating presentations and conducting research, you could be delivering Hollywood-quality videos, comprehensive market analysis, and professional websites at unprecedented speed and scale. My honest assessment? This represents a 9.5 out of 10 value proposition for professionals ready to embrace AI-powered project execution. The combination of autonomous planning, specialized agents, and access to cutting-edge models creates capabilities that simply weren't available at any price point before. The platform offers a generous free tier with no credit card required, which means you can actually test these capabilities before committing financially. That's confidence in their product. For AdLink Authority listeners, here's my strategic take. The question isn't whether this specific platform is perfect. It's whether you're positioned to leverage this type of AI evolution as it continues developing. Early adoption of genuinely transformative tools often creates lasting competitive advantages. The early adopter window for revolutionary technologies doesn't last forever. Every day you wait could be a day competitors establish market leadership with capabilities you're not utilizing. For those interested in exploring this, they offer both US and international access. Click on the links below. The real cost isn't in trying it, it's in potentially missing the opportunity while competitors gain first-mover advantages in your market. That's what AdLink Authority is all about. Identifying tools and products that don't just offer incremental improvements, but fundamental game changers. We're here to help you navigate these decisions with clear, honest analysis that considers both potential and pitfalls. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. The question is whether you'll lead it or watch from the sidelines. Thanks for subscribing and staying tuned to AdLink Authority. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews where we'll be diving deep into more AI tools, productivity software, and game-changing technologies. Remember, in a world of endless product choices, informed decisions are your competitive edge. Until next time, this is your guide to smarter purchasing decisions. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep making those smart choices that give you the edge.